guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Manaim, and today's recipe is fried Oreo. This is really simple and tempting recipe. For this recipe, we need half cup of pancake batter. I use ready-made, but you can use homemade. In that, add 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of oil, and whisk it well. Remember that you need a thick batter. Add milk in short quantity according to the need of batter. Remember, we need thick batter. Now mix it well until you get a smooth mixture. Now dip Oreo one by one in the batter. Then fry it. From both sides until it turns golden. When you feel it is done, then take it out. Remember to cool it down completely before serving. And if you want, you can sprinkle it with icing sugar on it. This is really simple recipe, but it is delicious too. For more such video, remember to subscribe and click the notification bell. And if you like my video, don't forget to click like and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.